is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have Let's Play Pokemon Fire Red. And in this episode, I'm gonna show you guys some places we haven't visited yet. And yeah, I'm gonna show off you guys some places. And off screen, I grinded our Pupitar up. And in this episode, I'm gonna evolve this thing into an my second favorite pseudo legendary of all time being Tyranitar. If Como doesn't existed, this would have been my favorite, but Como exists. And I think Dragapult is my third favorite. My brother's favorite is also Como, weirdly enough. And this is Pattern Bush, and you can come to this place where nothing interesting there is nothing interesting. You can get into an event cave in which these places where I haven't battled this trainer set. And off screen I taught it Earthquake and Hyper Beam. Hyper Beam is physical in this gen, so yeah, Hyper Beam exists and it's physical in an game, which is very good for Tyranitar in this game. And you can come to this altering cave where they was planned for Ruby Sapphire, and they added it in the game for event exclusive Johto Pokemon, but they scrapped it, yeah. And I'm gonna show you guys the final two places. And in 7 Island, the first place is being an island called the Unknown Island, where you can catch Unknown. You can go through the place where we catched our Larvitar. It's so weird that the places where we caught our team members can access a new place to us. Okay, this is not the place. Max Repel. Okay, I haven't been to this place yet, so I haven't battled this trainers yet. And Earthquake, Ice Beam, Frozen, take that, you stupid Whitney Pokemon. Full Restore, KO. Earthquake, Ice Beam. Why are you wasting full restores on your Miltank? If MNJ TV seen you, he'll kill you. And with that, guys, we are evolving our Godzilla into a Tyranitar. I'm going to take a screenshot. And yeah, we got our Godzilla up to a Tyranitar. And yeah. Oh, I forgot to say that you can access these places. And we are only 3. Tyranitar. Tyranitar back sprite. I think it is good as hell. Tyranitar upgrade rates everything on its way. And I'm gonna keep Heracross at first. So our Sokka. And because it's low level. And this place is new. Megahorn. I think if possible, I'm gonna catch Mewtwo in this episode. If not, in the next episode, because it's taking shit ton of time, and we are getting strategies right, left and right, and I'm gonna avoid these trainers. Yes, here is the place where you can get a Lucky Punch, and yes, and yeah. We healed up our Pokemon. Yes. This is the place where you can go to catch unknowns. There will be 7 islands in total. I'm not going to visit them. This will be places like this where you can catch unknowns named Seal Chamber. Okay guys, they will be appear in random encounters. Just random. Now I wanna wait when my repel goes up. Nice.
Okay.
Just you'll get okay. You'll get a random encounter. Why it's taking a shit ton of time? Okay, guys. It will only take some steps. And yeah, that's new. And what is this maze? This is a freaking maze, man. I'm gonna fly. And you can go to. This is canyon entrance, and this is Turner Tower, and the final place. Okay, guys, the final place I'm gonna show you is this tower. Our Chemslav is our old team member, and this place where you can, I think, do some battling like competitive. Okay, guys. Hello. Info. I will need info. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do single battles, and I think this battle is gonna take so much long time, and I'm gonna cut off this part. I'm gonna cut off the battles with these trainers, and I'll see you guys when I reach the top. And also, these trainers will have shiny Pokemon. I'm gonna show you guys these battles, only this battle. Oh shit, we doesn't get any XP here, so yeah. And yeah, there will be at the same level at the Pokemon you have at your highest. And I'm gonna cut off. I lost, and yeah, I'm gonna. That's the place I wanna show you off. If you can win, you will know the surprise what you get. And I wanna search it up in Sarabi.net after this, and we are gonna catch Mewtwo in this episode. I'll see you guys when in this Cerulean City. Okay, guys, here I am, Cerulean City, and you can come to this place right here. Okay, memories. I remember I think the third episode where what happened? Okay, guys, I messed up and I forgot to give Celio the sapphire. And yeah, now we finished the post game, and we can get, if you are playing on legit cartridge, you can get the Pokemon from Ruby, Sapphire and Emerald. Yes, you can get them now. And yeah, I'm gonna go to Cerulean Cave. Okay, guys, now this time we're gonna really catch Mewtwo. I messed up. People often forget things. Don't blame me for that. And yeah, this freaking puzzle now. And I bought so many Ultra Balls for this thing. This Mewtwo thing. And we have another move slot left for an team member. And I'm gonna keep it a surprise for you guys. What is the team member is?
Do you know this route?
It's not this route. It's not even this route. Okay.
This route is
If I am doing this puzzle wrong, so many people are gonna say that, what, you're doing wrong, but I'm doing it correct. We have a Ditto. We already had a Ditto. And yeah, another Ditto with 67. I don't need you. My team is perfect. and we almost completed this puzzle. And I'm gonna save the game, switch up my party, and we're gonna battle Mew. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna catch this. I bought 107 master balls, 1 ultra balls for that. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording. I'll see you guys when I catch this thing. I'm gonna use the master ball. And yeah, we got Mewtwo. Guys, I reset again for nickname, and I had a perfect nickname for this thing, and I'm gonna call it, I'm probably spelling it wrong, but Frieza. Frieza. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in the next episode. In the next episode, we're going to take on the Elite Four. I'm going to off-screen grind our Pokemon up to level 69 or 70, basing on the trainers. And yeah, I'm going to add our new team member off-screen, and I'm going to give you us the surprise. And yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.